have a think about specific sources that your profit comes from. This would probably be in business, but you could have some side hustle, in which case, wherever your money's coming from, list those things in that circle. And then in the next one, think of specific sources of joy for you. And this doesn't have to be in business. It might be. You might love certain aspects of your business. Think of specific places or sources, rather, of joy. And it could be a person. It could be a specific thing that you do. Like for me, I love walking out in nature. But also what brings me joy is getting all glammed up and coming into London and going to nice bars and eating nice food at restaurants. That brings me joy too. So I'd list all these things down in that section. And then when you've got your specific sources of profit and your specific sources of joy, get your creative cap on and think, how can you merge those two together to have the most joy and make the most profit in your life and in your business? And this makes everything holistically work so much better together, which alleviates stress because joy is going to energize you and motivate you to do more.